Okay, so start the demo. This is CursorPilot, hardware controlled AI automation built for Logitech Actions SDK. And this is my demo repo where the test and lint both are failing. So yes, both are failing. Now I'll try to run on the safe mode. I also have my coding editor opened. You see it's being running. So there's a glitch, so I'll try to run again. Yeah, so it seems like I have a issue with finally we see it started executing, and it made fixes because of the failure in the Gemini, so it was not able to do it. So if I run the test now, test is passing, and if I run the lint also and the lint, it will also fix it. So there are more options like performance and security and also refactor. So in brief, we collect failures, generate unified differences, validate against policy, and apply patches and rerun the verifications. So, and then no test edits, strict equality checks, and lint corrected. That you can see these are the things happened. So Copilot transformed Logitech hardware into a safe AI control surface. Thank you.